Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact object type so you don't break geometry unintentionally. With your layer unlocked and objects visible, select the joined element or use a crossing window to grab multiples. Once selected, inspect properties to see if it's a polyline, block, or group, because the method depends on that. If it's a block or group, you'll need to explode first. If it's a polyline, you can also explode, but you'll take a slightly different cleanup path after. Now you unjoin by using explode, type explode and press enter, then pick the selected joined objects. Once exploded, the single joined object becomes separate segments or entities. That's why we check type first. Once separate, use break with 2 points or trim to remove the small overlap or shared vertex, and use join only where you want continuity. Make sure to run undo checkpoints if you need to test results and keep geometry clean. Finish by cleaning the geometry. Run overkill to remove duplicate coincident lines, and then check endpoints with endpoint snap-on. Once done, inspect each formerly joined area and rejoin only where continuity is intended or leave segments separate. If something goes wrong, revert to your saved version or use undo. The key troubleshooting tip: if explode appears to destroy curves, check whether the object was a spline or fit polyline. Use properties to restore proper settings or revert to the saved copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.